Diane and Emmerich here. Very quick check-in with you today. I don't even have my pom-poms. I wasn't expecting to make a video. Our focus for this week is working on our bedrooms, just doing 5 or 10 minutes to make a little change in here so that we feel like it's a kind of safe place to relax, a little haven for ourselves. And I'm going to show you, I've just decluttered, spent 5 minutes decluttering one shelf of my wardrobe. I'll show you what I came up with. But the idea here is that you just set your timer for 5 or 10 minutes and do something. Maybe you can change the sheets. Maybe you've got a chair in the corner that's piled up with clothes. Let's make a decision on these things, because often when you're piling up on the chair, you're not making the decision. Does the item need to be washed? Let's get it in the washing machine. Can you hang it up and air it? And that's what I do with our clothes. We don't wash after one wear unless it's something that's close to the skin. I hang it outside to air, or I put it beside a window and then it goes back in the wardrobe. If you don't feel like it's clean enough to go back in the wardrobe, then get it washed. Anyway, let me turn you around and I'll show you what I've decluttered. And if you want me to clean and declutter with you, I've got a whole playlist where you can see me working in the bedroom zone. But anyway, let me show you what I've decluttered. So I simply went through the kind of pinky and orangey sweaters that I have and tops, and this is came up with, and either they're things that I don't quite like the colour, or it doesn't work with the rest of my wardrobe, or it's kind of scratchy, or the neckline is wrong. And actually, out of the 5 items that I've got here, 3 came from our famous clothes swap parties, and that's where they'll be going back to. So just have a wee think. Maybe you can go through your jewellery, see anything that you're not wearing. How about your pyjamas? Have you got some pyjamas that have seen better days? Let's get those out of the building. Let me turn you around again. The blouse that I'm wearing today, this is a blouse that my daughter decluttered. She's now left the nest. She's into her own apartment. And she went through her wardrobe before she left and decided were things that just didn't fit her anymore. Was she going to wear them again? Did she want to leave them behind at home, her old home? And this is one that she didn't want. So I'm trying this, and if I don't like it, it's also going to be ending up at a pile for our clothes swap party. So anyway, just a wee bit of inspo for you today. Off you go, set a timer for 5 minutes, or work along with me with one of my videos. All I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the Danish decluttering hygge be with you, and I'll see you very soon with the rat.